Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox. So in order to do it, the first thing you need to do is to move to the official ubuntu.com section, and here we need to choose download Ubuntu and Ubuntu desktop. Now you have to press on download Ubuntu desktop, and here we have to download ISO file by clicking on download. I have it already downloaded to save some time, so we can now move on to the VirtualBox, and here we need to choose new, and we have to first name our virtual machine. So we will name it, for example, Ubuntu test. I think it will be okay. Here we have our virtual machine path. You can leave it like that or change, it depends on you. Here we have to choose our ISO image, so you will choose other and Ubuntu, and as you can see, our VirtualBox automatically found an operating system, our operating system distribution and operating system version, so all is good, so we can leave it like that. Here we can choose our username and password. You can leave it like without password, so you will be logging in automatically, but if you want password, you can simply choose it right here. We can also install guest additions. It will be useful, I think. And here we can choose our base memory and numbers of CPUs, and we can of course go a bit bigger, but not too big, because if you, for example, you will be using all of your CPUs, then your computer will be running slowly, so I think, for example, 6 will be enough, or maybe I will make it 8. And here I will make also 8 GB of base memory. And in terms of virtual hard disk, we can make it, for example, 50 GB. And we can press on also we have to choose a host name, but it's not necessary, I think. Yes, because it has to be without spaces, so that's why it didn't work. So Ubuntu, we can leave it like that, and we can press finish. As you can see, our virtual machine has been created, and now it is running, but we will for now power off it, and we will change another settings, because we have to change the display. The best way to change it is to go maximum, because without it our virtual machine can run really slowly. And here we can leave it like that. Maybe we will change that in the future, so we can leave it press OK, and now we can start it by clicking this right arrow and start. And now we will wait, and as you can see, we have to buy the arrows on the keyboard. We can change this options, but we will press on try or install Ubuntu. And now we have to wait. It might take some time at the beginning, but we need to be patient. As you can see, our Ubuntu 24 is starting. We will cancel that, and now we need to wait. and maybe I will go back to you after the installation setup will be started, but because it might take 1 or 2 minutes. Actually, as you was not right, it took about 20 seconds, so I basically should not pause the video, but it's okay. As you can see, we have preparing Ubuntu. Now we have to, of course, I can wait a bit. As you can see, it's loading, but now our Ubuntu is installing. So I think again I will pause it and go back to you after the installation will finished and all the things will be set up correctly. So I will go back to you in a moment. And as you can see, after almost 30 minutes for me, the Ubuntu has finally installed, so now I can log in. So I press on test, I can type in my password that I created before, and now we need to wait for our system to log in. And as you can see, welcome to the Ubuntu. We can press next, we can skip that, we don't have to share a data system, and finish. And as you can see, our system has installed correctly. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next video.